Hi guys, welcome back to Puro Fail SH. For this show, we have 4 different segments full of the funniest scare cams. Guys, we always read your comments, and we know that many of you have been asking for this segment. So, let's waste no more time and start with the car horn pranks. Let's check them out.
What's this?
Hurry up! What is... Oh!
Alright, there you go.
Oh!
You can't do that!
Oh my God!
The car horn always brings out the jumpy face in people. The funniest was definitely the 2 girls sitting in the trunk. That one made me laugh until now. Leave in the comments what you think about it, and also which one was your favourite. But not only for this segment, do it for all of them. We are always reading your comments and preferences to prepare the funniest segments for you. Well guys, we must continue to the next segment. It is one of your favourite classics, the family pranks. Let's check them out.
Oh my God! I love it. Thanks, we'll see ya. Woo! I knew that's what it was! Vai, bist du verrückt oder was? God! What the f?
Holy...
Scare cam. Oh!
Turn!
This way. Do it again.
Yeah.
What the f?
Dude, I have unbreakable, dude.
Oh, Mitch! Oh!
Was machen Sie hier?
What are you doing?
Amanda!
The grandparent scare cams are usually my favourites, but the guy with the hidden speaker in the kitchen was so funny. You guys can let us know which kind of collection is your favourite in the comments, as we always read all of your comments and we are working on a couple of requests that you guys made. Knowing that, we must continue to the next segment. This time we bring you a request that we saw in last week's video comments. The best mask and funny gadgets pranks. Let's check them out.
Yeah. Oh my God, sir!
Where are you? Are you in the house? Sheesh, I know. I know. I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. Dear Lord, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the? Who is that? I don't know. Open the door. I'm scared. Open the door. Yo. No. Yo.
What about that guy? Jikon.
Why would you fart?
That was so funny. We know how much you love the scary mask scare cams, and we love it too. The guy playing ping pong was hilarious. I'm sure that we would continue seeing this collection on future programs. Leave in the comments if you want that to happen. Well guys, unfortunately we must get to the end of the show, but don't worry, we have our own classic, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Scare cam. Wheel of Fortune scare cam.
Julia's in the bathroom.
Yasmin! Yasmin!
Finally got it. Hi.
Don't do that type. Not funny. Ow!
Oh my god, that was a
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more Scarecam videos, the link to our main channel will be in the description down below. Also guys, we would really appreciate it if you could follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description too. Have a great day.